Hello, how are you? I am back again. Mary is watching Bed Knobs and Broomsticks, so it seemed like a really good time to film. So there is one PR list that every influencer wants to be on. Wait, are we calling ourselves influencers these days, or are we bloggers, or are we YouTubers, or are we content creators? I literally have no idea. Anyway, there's one list that everybody wants to be on because it is phenomenal and they're such a great brand. They do the coolest packages and everybody wants to be on this list. That brand is of course Pixi. And today I've got a package from them, so I thought I'd show you what's inside, what is the hype about, because let me tell you, they're pretty cool packages. So here is the box and I'm gonna show you what's inside. Okay, so inside the box we have a presentation box. And then inside the presentation box, we've got all kinds of treats. So this package is all about glowy skin, which I am all into. And the first thing that they've sent is the Flawless Beauty Primer. I've not tried this before, so I'm really excited about that. They've also sent the H2O Skin Veil, which I have also not tried. It's apparently a loose powder. I didn't even know that. Is it a new product or have I been living under a rock? Then finally, we have a makeup fixing mist. I have used one of their mists before. It's absolutely amazing. I've used the glowy one. So I'm looking forward to trying this one too. So yeah, that is what's in the box. And then you probably notice there's something else in here. And it's kind of hidden, so let's dive in and see what it is. Okay, I don't think I could have ever predicted that. So this box is all about sealing the glow. And this is an envelope seal. It's one of those old school ones, which is personalised, and you use the wax, you melt the wax, and then you stamp it in, and then you end up with your little monogram. It's very bougie old school. And it's such a cute, fun idea, such a cool gift, such a little fun extra, which I would definitely be using and loving. And yeah, I just thought I'd show you what was in the box. So just to recap everything we've got the little gift, which is the stampy thingy mobby bee, you know what I'm talking about. Then we've got the primer, the loose powder, and the setting mist. Pretty amazing if you ask me. I can't wait to try everything, and literally everything in this box is new to me, so I'm very excited. Anyway, that's my unboxing. I hope you like it. Hope you wanted to see what the fuss was about. I love their packages. I love their products. It's just so fun, you know, and they really try. And I like that. I'm into it, you know. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.